Dear student, how are you? I expect that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. You know, last classes I have discussed about class, and it's the precondition of learning simple, complex and compound, and that's the formative sentence. Dear students, you know, formative of sentence, there are three kinds of part, that is simple, complex and compound. Today I am going to discuss about the definition or the aspects or some examples of simple, complex and compound sentence. Now, firstly I want to tell about simple sentence. Simple sentence. This sentence consists in a subject, a finite verb or a clause. You can see. This sentence is consists on a subject, a finite verb and a clause, and that is principal clause. Here is an example. I bought a blue shirt. It is obviously a simple sentence because here is each subject, a finite verb, and altogether this sentence is a principal clause. So we can say that it is simple sentence. And there are some aspects of simple sentence. You can see aspects. Subject 1, verb 1, clause 1, and you have already known that it is consists in principal clause. Now and then it has ing form verb, V plus ing, and then now and then it consists in some phrases or phrasal word. Phrasal words. You can say here are a example. Going home, I saw a lady. Ing, it is ing for verb and I subject, saw finite verb, and I saw a lady, it is principal clause. Another aspect, phrasal word. Because of my illness, I couldn't come. Because of, it is phrasal word, and I subject could not come her, and I could not come, it is principal clause. So I hope that you have already gathered some ideas about simple sentence. Now I want to discuss about complex sentence. Complex sentence consists in two subject, two finite verb, and two clauses, and that is called complex sentence. Now, example: I bought a shirt which was blue. Dear students, you follow these examples, and it has all aspects of it. I is a subject, which is a subject. There are two subjects. What finite verb, was finite verb. There are two verbs, and I bought a shirt. It is principal clause, which was blue. It is subordinate clause. So I hope you have something idea about complex sentence. Now I want to describe about the aspects of complex sentence. Aspects: subject 2, verb 2, clause 2. One is principal clause and other is subordinate clause. There are two kinds of clause consist in complex sentence. Example: he had a pen which was costly. He had a pen. He subject. Which subject? There are two kinds of subject. Had verb, was verb. There are two kinds of verbs. And he had a pen. It is principal clause. Which was costly. It is subordinate clause. So you have already known about complex sentence, and it is obviously without the changing of the meaning. Now, dear students, I want to discuss about compound sentence, and it is obviously consisting two subject, two finite verb, and two clauses, and one is principal clause and also other is principal clause. There are two kinds of principal clause consisting in a compound sentence. Example: I bought a shirt and it was blue. You can see I subject, it subject, bought finite verb, was finite verb. I bought a shirt, principal clause, it was blue, principal clause, and in middle position there will be some conjunction, and is one kind of conjunction. aspects subject to verb to clause 2 principal plus principal. And its another aspect is there will be some prepositions in the middle position of that sentence. Example: the night was dark and I couldn't go. Dear students, you follow this sentence. The night was dark and I could not go. The night, subject, I, subject, was, verb, could not go, verb. The night was dark, it is actually a principal clause, and I could not go, it is also principal clause, and there is a conjunction in the middle position of this sentence. So we can say that it is compound sentence. Dear students, I know and I hope that you will get in some ideas or the provisions of simple, complex and compound sentence, and it will be very benefited if you follow these rules and resolutions of this sentence. No more today. See you again. Then thank you very much.